Welcome everyone. Here is Dr. Sandhu from Business Management and Research Channel. In this video, you will learn what is scalable startup entrepreneurship. Contents. Number one, we will discuss what is scalable startup entrepreneurship. Number two, factors of scalable startup entrepreneurship, strategies for customer acquisition and retention, and finally, the conclusion. So, what is scalable startup entrepreneurship? The process of establishing and growing a startup with a business model that can efficiently and rapidly expand to meet increasing demand is referred to as scalable startup entrepreneurship. Very good examples of scalable startup entrepreneurship: Facebook, Instagram, and Uber. Furthermore, it entails creating a company that can handle significant growth without incurring proportional increases in resources or cost. Scalability is critical for startups seeking to achieve long-term growth, attract investors, and capitalize on market opportunities. Scalability is critical for startups seeking to achieve long-term growth, attract investors, and capitalize on market opportunities. Scalable startup entrepreneurship encompasses a variety of factors that contribute to a company's overall scalability: market potential, technology driven approaches, revenue generation, a scalability mindset, and effective growth strategies are examples of these. Let's take a closer look at these points. Number one, potential market and addressable audience. Scalable startups focus on markets with high growth potential and a large addressable market. They identify market gaps, unmet needs, or emerging trends that can be used to accelerate growth. Scalable startups increase their chances of success by focusing on markets with room for expansion. Point number two, technology led approach. Scalable startups rely heavily on technology. They use technology to accelerate growth, scalability. Scalable startups optimize processes, increase efficiency, and enable rapid scaling by implementing innovative solutions, digital tools, and automation. They remain competitive by embracing technological advances and incorporating them into their business strategy. Point three, revenue and business. Scalable startups use business models that enable significant revenue generation as the customer base grows. They identify scalable revenue schemes such as subscription, licensing, or platform fees that can help the startup's growth trajectory. Scalable startups can achieve long-term growth by ensuring that their revenue scales with their customer base. Point number four, scalability is critical to the success of scalable startup entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs must have a growth mindset and set lofty goals for their startup. They take calculated risks, are always looking for ways to expand their business, and actively drive their company towards scalability. A growth and scalability mindset lays the groundwork for achieving exponential success. Then comes factors. Building a scalable startup necessitates careful consideration of numerous factors. Here are some important considerations. Number one, product market fit and a strong value proposition. Scalable businesses create compelling value propositions that resonate with their target audience. They identify their customers' pain points and needs and provide innovative solutions. Scalable startups improve their chances of attracting and retaining customers as they scale by ensuring a strong product market fit. Point number two, infrastructure and technology stack scalability. Scalable businesses invest in infrastructure that can handle increased demand and traffic. without compromising performance. Cloud computing, scalable databases, and adaptable technology architecture are examples of this. Scalable infrastructure ensures that the startup can handle growth efficiently without jeopardizing the user experience. Point number 4. Scalable startups optimize efficiency by streamlining operations, designing workflows, and automating repetitive tasks. They also use scalable resources like outsourcing or cloud services to meet rising demand without sacrificing quality. The startup's ability to scale without significant bottlenecks is enabled by scalable resource allocation and efficient processes. Final point. A talented and adaptable team is essential for a scalable startup. Scalable startups hire people with a wide range of skills and foster a culture of learning and growth. The team should be capable of scaling with the company, embracing challenges, and adapting to the business's changing need. Hiring the right talent and developing leadership become critical as the startup grows in order to maintain scalability. Then comes strategies. Entrepreneurs must use effective strategies to successfully scale a startup. Number one, investment and funding. Scalable startups devise effective customer acquisition and retention strategies. Digital marketing techniques, referral programs, partnerships, and a customer centric approach may all be used. Scalable startups can maintain their growth trajectory by focusing on customer acquisition and retention. Point number 2, expansion and diversification of the market. Securing funding and investment is critical for scalable startups looking to expand and grow. They work with venture capitalists, angel investors, crowdfunding platforms, or strategic partners to gain access to capital, expertise, and resources that will help them scale. Scalable startups can use funding to invest in infrastructure, talent, and marketing to accelerate their growth. Point number 3. Scalable businesses look for ways to expand into new markets and diversify their product offerings. They conduct market research, assess market demand, and tailor their products or services to different customer segments' needs. Scalable startups can increase their market presence and revenue streams by expanding and diversifying their markets. Conclusion. Entrepreneurship in a scalable startup is not without its challenges and risks. Scaling too quickly or prematurely, maintaining quality and customer satisfaction during rapid growth, managing market competition and changing dynamics, and dealing with resource constraints and financial management are all common challenges. Entrepreneurs, on the other hand, can overcome these challenges and achieve scalable growth with proper planning, execution, and continuous adaptation. If we conclude this lecture, we can say that scalable startup entrepreneurship entails creating and growing a startup with a business model and infrastructure that can efficiently and quickly scale to meet increasing demand. It necessitates an emphasis on market potential, technological approaches, revenue generation, a scalability mindset, and effective growth strategies. Entrepreneurs can unlock growth and success in the modern business landscape by addressing these key elements and challenges. Thank you very much. Keep watching. Best of luck.